Hi guys, welcome to Printride. I'm your host Ranveer, and in this video we're going to show you how easily you can do color separation of simulated process or spot colors with our software ColorSep Pro. Do you know guys, simulated process and spot color are very high complex design that require very high grade designing knowledge to do separation in all photo editing softwares. But with the help of our software ColorSep Pro, you can do this type of complex design in just one click. You can see the design in our screen, the same design we are going to print, and this design separation will be doing in just one click. Starting, let's go to our computer screen and show you how easily you can separate the color with ColorSep Pro. So let's make the screen. Hi guys, welcome to our software page. So it's a screen recording and we'll be showing you how we use our software to make that wow quality films and how to separate it in one click. So first of all, let's open our software. This is ColorSep Pro. This is the main page, the dashboard. And we have opened the software and this is the image what we'll be doing color separation in simulated process or spot color. So here, first of all, you can upload it from your system and whatever file you want to color separate. So we already uploaded, so this is the file. So we click on the file and we have four options: spot color, CMYK, vector and monotone. So here we'll be doing simulated process, so we'll be clicking on spot color. And remember one thing, go take a good quality image for best resolution and do take image that have no background. So you can see in one click the all separation came. So this is the main image, the proof positive. Like this is the image what we are going to print in our garment or any object you want to print. So here the color separated in many forms. See how many colors are there. So it is separated in different forms. So first of all, you can also see this one is the under base, the base layer what you're going to print in our subject, in our t-shirt. So this is the base layer. So you can see how it look. This is how the print will look. This is how the film will look where you will be printing. Now it is already separated, half tone not created. Now we'll create the half tone in a while after explaining you about this software. So we'll keep it as it is. So this is the underbase and this is cyan, green, purple, orange, blue and red. These are the colors to get this exact this print. So first of all, we'll show you some feature that is called merging. Merge the image in one. Suppose you think that that red and the magenta. So you can do one thing. If you can minus the magenta, if you don't want the color, just click on this printer symbol and that will minus your image from printing. So you minus the image and you will come to know how it will look. See, little bit changes came here. So we'll again on it so that you can check the difference. So here it's added. So suppose if you minus red color, you will see more difference because there is so many red in this print. So we'll minus the red and you can see the red gone. So this only the magenta, the pink, red is not there. So this how the image will look. So we'll again add on that color red because we want this. So this how is easily in one click you can change your color and whatever color you can choose it. Next one is merging. So suppose this purple or we want to merge with red. So we'll just keep drag it and put above red. So the changes will come. You can see everything will become red. Yes, now see you can see everything become red. So this how you can reduce your screen if you don't want that minute details or any minute colors. So it's up to you. So you can do the color changes or color merging. So now blue is not there. It is capture something small dots or might be. So we'll just minus it up. There won't be any much difference. So here we'll be printing one and this one blue, cyan. You can use turquoise color. cyan or turquoise, up to you. So this is the underbase, this is cyan color, green, yellow and red color. So total 5 color, and we don't want the overlay because we think we'll print a multiple stroke on the base. So we wants to do the image as less skin possible. So we'll minus the white highlight as well. So it is now we are doing it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screen. So 5 screen, this is the print. So what you're going to do. So now this is the merging and adding or subtracting your image, and as I told you, good quality image and no underbase. So this is the first criteria what I have shown you. Second thing will come in this area. In this area we have angles. So this in this angle you can, this is a default size 45. You can do up to your convenience and up to your decision. You can plus minus it according to you. So we keep it 45. Now LPI, this is line per inch. So it is 55. So you can, if you want to do very photorealistic images, suggested 55, 60 for smoother dots, small fine dots. If you want to do something in the anime side or something in that not full or realistic, something in graphical side, then you can go in 45 also or 22.5. So it's up to you. You can do some research in this in Google and any other sources, and you can take your decision what you're going to do. So we are going for 55 now, because so 55 we are taking for our halftone. So this is how you can change it by your requirement and your need. And this is choke. Choke is the underbase. Suppose if you don't want to see your white layer on the back side, then you can reduce the choke. We have given default of 0.2. So a 2 pixel of choke or a very minimum choke will come down the underbase, so that once you print the color on the top, the white object that you don't want to show, it won't be visible. So if you go for more like 0.5, 0.10, so more the choke, so more the underbase will shrink. So if you want to shrink the underbase, you can increase your choke, or if you want to no shrink, then make it 0.0 or 0, so that it won't shrink, it will be as it is, the underbase what is background image is. So we want a little bit of choke, so we have put 0.2, and this is a default setting. You can change it according to you. And this is the paper size what we have, like we have custom size A3, A4. You can change your custom, you want inches, you want centimeter, is all up to you. So different sizes, different image, and so we put it 80 plus, and you also can drag and drop, or you can reduce and increase in your ruler bar here in your image section, and many other options are here. You can check, depends on your convenience. So now the image is done for our printout. For that we'll create now halftones. So let's click on generate film. It will take couple of seconds, depends on your PC or your laptop. Near the laptop, more faster it will be done. Older, it will take little bit time. So here we have 4 images that what we are going to print. 5 color, underbase, red, cyan, green, yellow, and you can see this is the halftone done what we are going to be printing. You can see I zoom it off for you so that you can get a clear view of the crispy halftone what we got for our printout. So now we are ready for printout. Now last thing, that is also what 2 features that is given here, that is very useful for your printing. First is that registration mark. Here we have registration mark. You can click here, you can choose your desired registration mark, and you can increase the size of the registration mark, and you can put inside out how you want to do. Can bring it inside, or you can keep it outside, is up to you. And now you can apply. And one more feature what we have given is that the name of the film. So no need you to take worry about that what film you are going to print. Just once you do the printout, the film will automatically take their name. See, cyan, here you read. So you see, if you click on red and you want to print red, print, see, red. So that is one option that is very helpful for many of you, because you need not need to worry what color you have to put. You will come to know according to your film printout. So there is one feature that we have given you, and this is the registration mark. Now the last one is print. You can print one shot everything. If you want to print, see, different names came, and you can print one shot. Or if you want to print one by one, you can click or right click and you can print one by one. Or if you want to save, you can save in PDF and TIFF as well. So this is how easy is to separate your separation, any images, and you can do in just one click. Now no need to spend hours in editing, and no need to spend so much money for any high-end designers. You can do by your own by just one click. So guys, let's go to the physical part now. Let's start the printing and show you how it's look and how this 10% variation will come, because physical and digital is different, but it will come exact almost same from the physical and digital part. Let's hop up to the printing section and show you how the print comes. So guys, you have seen how easily we have separated the design, and now we are ready for print. So we'll take out the print, do the exposing and do the printing. So let's start printing. So guys, you have seen the printing, so you can definitely know how easily you can separate with ColorSep Pro and start printing instantly. So no need to spend hours in designing or color separation. Take your design and separate it with ColorSep Pro in just one click. So go to the link given in our screen and you can click there and go to our website colorsepro.com, or you can go to printride.com and go to software section and you can go to the ColorSep Pro section and you can go and subscribe. So we are ending the video here, and we're coming up with next new videos and next new exciting separation videos. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.